Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to transfer WhatsApp from one phone to another. So first thing that you will do is open up your WhatsApp, and now from here tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then just simply go to settings, and after that just simply go to chats over here. And now if we scroll down, we should be able to see here transfer chats. And from here guys, as you can see, you can transfer chat history to Android phone. So from here, just simply tap on start. And now from here, just simply tap on continue to turn on your location, and just simply tap on this icon over here to turn it on. And now just simply go back to the application. And from here, guys, as you can see, just simply tap on continue and tap on allow over here. And as you can see over here, just simply download WhatsApp on your new phone and just register with the same phone number and use this phone to scan the QR code on your new phone. So now let's go to the new phone that we have. So now guys, just simply download WhatsApp into your new phone, and now just simply wait for it to install into your device. And now just simply open it up. And from here, just simply select a language and tap on next on the bottom right corner of the screen, the green icon, and tap on agree and continue. Just simply provide your number over here and tap on next. And after that, tap on continue. And from here, you should be able to see this option, transfer chat history from old phone, and tap on continue, and tap on continue, and tap on allow only while using the app, and tap on allow. And from here, guys, just simply go to your old phone and just simply scan this QR code. Now, guys, once you have scanned it, a pop-up will show up into your new phone, and you can just simply go ahead and tap on accept, and you should be able to transfer it. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.